Okay, that's enough bad ASMR and shaking of markers today. And hi guys, this is Steph, Muffinsaurs here, and welcome back to my channel. So today I bought POSCA markers from Overjoyed, a local art supply store, and we are going to try and then we're going to do a review and try it for the first time. So POSCA markers are made in Japan, and you can get it from Art Friend or so, and they come in either set or as individual pens. So I decided to try the set because I got no idea what I want to get, like what color, and since it's like my first time trying. So it applies rather smoothly, but I realized that there are a lot of like particles coming out from the nib, which I am very unsure if it's the paper or the marker itself. Look at it. Look at that residue there. It could be the paper, so I had to use the rough paper to get rid of the fibers because it keeps like coming out and it's quite annoying. I mean, that's the only thing that I didn't like about this marker. Other than that, I find that it applies very smoothly and you can always overlay it. Yeah, and I noticed that the pink had the most residue for some odd reason, and it's really nice to use. I've seen a lot of YouTubers using POSCA markers recently, and I was excited to try it myself. I've seen it used on different materials like glass, plastic, not wood yet, and paper. So since it's my first time trying it, so I decided to try it on the paper first. And so far, when I've seen others use it, I don't see that much fiber coming out from it. I'm not sure, is it paper? So okay, most likely it should be the paper, either that or there's something wrong with my markers. Please let me know if you've tried this before. And other than that, I'm quite pleased with the results, and I think it's worth a try. So I did some research, and it says that they are acrylic markers, and it's quite amazing to find that you can actually do acrylic into markers. Acrylic paint, they dry very easily, and yeah, this dries rather easily too, just like acrylic paint, and it's opaque, unlike some markers that you buy in stores. I'm not sure if you have tried it, but there are some markers that is meant to be, or rather they are sold as paint markers, and you have to activate it, and I like to buy white, and for some reason it's so hard to find a white that is opaque and not so transparent, because if it's transparent and I write it on like my craft paper or black paper, and there's no point to it at all, so I don't know why they're even selling it. Yeah, this is like horrible pens that's not supposed to be even sold. I don't know why they're continuing it. But for POSCA, it's really nice. I'm definitely going to try it on different materials. I have a flask that I'm going to try it on, and yeah, I'm excited to try it. So I don't know, this is like first time doing a review, and I really like it, except for the fiber part. Look at it. Look at all this small residue, and this much came out from it. I had to scrape it off before I applied the outline. And just like paint, you can actually layer them, so it's quite fun. You can do a lot of things with it. Definitely going to try it, and I feel that yes, it's worth a buy. Price wise, it's about 18 USD for a set of 8 POSCA pens, and about $2.20 to $5 for a single pen. And I'm not sure if Amazon sells like them individually, but that's like the price of POSCA here in Singapore, and it's not cheap, and I've got no idea how long it lasts yet. I hope it doesn't like dry out as fast as like my previous pen from different other brands. And yeah, so far there's a lot of good reviews about it, and I hope you find this simple review informative, and do subscribe for more. And I will most definitely be trying POSCA pens again on other materials. So stay tuned. Bye, and thanks for watching.